Let me log in into instance. So we are going to see how the end user will create the ticket, how the fulfiller will get the ticket, how they will assign to themselves, how the incident management will work into ServiceNow. So for that, first I will go and I will create one end user. So end user name I will put, for example, John. Okay, so this is he is the end user, and I will create one fulfiller, Gita, and I will save this. So fulfiller means the user should have some role. So I'm giving the access of ITL role to Gita. Okay, I save this. So I just created two users. One is John user, who is the end user, and the second user is Gita, who is a fulfiller, and system is a, you can say, admin. So now I will impersonate John. So we can see only these are the modules in self-service. So if he wants to raise the incident, we'll go where, like here you can say, you can see here incidents. He click on that, he just click on new, and now you can see which form he is able to see. So John is the end user. He don't know more about the fields in service now. He just okay, urgency, yeah, it's urgent for him. And he's writing, I'm not able to log in Outlook. In the Outlook, then he can say, okay, there is something preview came, okay, we need to check, okay. What is this? Okay, request a category you can use, create your own catalog item. Okay, this is something knowledge articles. When he is doing that, he can see related articles regarding this short description. But he wants to submit the ticket. He just submit the ticket now. Now he submitted the ticket. Now you can say, okay, it's incident, it is new. He can add the additional comments here. So this is a, you can say, John, how he looks, you can say into the ticket. Now I will go and I will, you can say, use incognito mode and I will log in with Gita. Gita is a fulfiller, right? So let's see. So we'll log in into this instance with Gita's credentials. She logged in. Now she is a fulfiller. Definitely she will come to know there is one incident came. So she go to the incident. He click on open and she can see, okay, which incident, the updated one. Okay, there is one incident. Caller is John. She click on this incident, and after seeing this, okay, she just put some assignment group, incident management, and She select any one of the user incident manager. Okay. So here he can see John also waiving the ticket. In this way, we'll come to know who is waiving the ticket. If you go to the John screen, so here you can see Geeta is waiving the ticket. This is the service now functionality by default. Okay. Now, so what I want to do, I want to do end impersonation. I want to add Geeta into the same group actually in incident management. So I will go here, go to user. So I will put Geeta in the incident management group. So I will go to groups. I will just edit that and I will write a group name incident management. Save. So again, I will impersonate John and in another tab here just I will reload the form. So now I know like for I will write incident management. Here I can see Geeta's name and just I'm writing work notes. Okay, I am working on this. So this is a work notes what Geeta is putting. So work notes and there is one more thing is comments. So work notes is only for the internal purpose, not for the customer. Here, who is the customer? John is the customer. So whatever the Geeta is putting here, John is not able to see that. So John will go to the incident and he opened the incident and he can see okay there is nothing but he can see that okay there is assigned to Geeta and incident state is in work in progress after assigning to Geeta. So after assigned to Geeta it is in work in progress. He know that. Suppose Geeta wants some information from them. He will put on hold. On hold reason he will put waiting caller and then Geeta will put something. Hey John, what's your user ID? And Geeta, she will just save this. After this, so how John will see that? So you can say, hey John, what's your user ID? And John will see it state is on hold, waiting for the call. He know that he wants to give some information. He'll say, hi Geeta, my user ID equal to dot and he will save this. Now see, John is giving these details to Geeta. Now automatically the state is getting changed into in progress for Geeta. And Geeta can see that okay, it is in progress. She got the reply from and now Geeta will do what? He resolve the issue. After resolving the issue, he will put see there is a work notes. Work note is not you can say accessed by the end user, but there is a comment. She click on additional comments. He will say, hey John, we have resolved your issue. So after I'm trying to save this, but for resolution, there is a mandatory that there are certain things like resolution code. When you are resolving, these are the categories. In the reporting, it is so easy for us to categorize, okay, whether how many issues you have resolved permanently, work around. I have done it permanently. So Gita put like permanently, and these are the resolution notes. Okay, changing the setting in Outlook for John to resolve the issue. So this is something we can put a comment okay, for this resolution. After that, Geeta will save this. Now it is resolved. Resolved means what? From Geeta side, it is done. It is not closed. Then John will see that ticket, okay, it is resolved. And just see, John is going to again trying to, you can say, log in, but still he is not able to log in. So what John will say, hey Geeta, still it is not working. And after that, John will just save the ticket. After saving the ticket, you can say there is option to reopen the incident for John. John will just click on reopen the incident, put the comment, reopening the incident, and just click on reopen the incident. Once it is done, the again state will go into work in progress, sorry, in progress, and Geeta again see that, okay, it is in progress. Again, Geeta will do something, see, resolution code, resolution notes are empty now. Geeta will again do something, it's working now. Please check and confirm. And again, Geeta will go and just click on resolve. She will again put it's permanent, it's working now. She will put some comments here and just click on save. After that, it is resolved now. And you can say resolved by Geeta, resolve the time. Okay. And now you can say John will again see that it is resolved. Now John is okay with this. So John will say thanks and just click on, you can say resolve. Okay, sorry, it is not authorized here. So John will say, okay, thanks Geeta, and he will just close the incident. So John can close the incident, but Geeta is not able to close the incident. Now Geeta can see close the incident. This is how you can say whole structure of incident management. By default, whatever we have the functionality of service now. Okay. In this way, incident management will work. Incident will get created by end user. There are two ways. One is they can go directly incidents and they can click on new. And there is one more thing. If you go to the service catalog, there is one, you can say, catalog like Amazon Web Service. There is something, can we help you? If you click on that, here is a one option to create the incident. You will get the same screen. It will go in the same fashion. Hi, just click on submit. This will get incident, and again in the same fashion. First it will be new, then fulfiller will log in, they will see the ticket in their queue, then they will get assigned to themselves, right? So now you can say it's this one. So incident fulfiller will go and they will put incident. There are some cases we can reject the case also if it is not incident. Okay, now Geeta is just assigning the ticket and just click on save. After that, Geeta will come to know, okay, no, this is not an incident. Directly, she will cancel the incident. That's it. Because this is not an incident. So in this way also we can work. After that, it is grayed out. After it is cancelled, it is grayed out. So this is how you can say incident management will work. So it is cancelled. Now, John, if you reload the form, so see, when it is cancelled, he is not able to, you can say, reopen also. But after resolve, John is able to resolve. Oh, sorry, John is able to reopen. So this is all about, you can say, the process. We'll finalize, okay, in this way, it should work. End user can do this one. Okay, fulfiller can do this thing. So this is all things we need to do, and we are a developer, so we need to configure the tool in this way. Okay, so any questions on this?